Hello guys, welcome back to our channel Android Data Recovery. In this video, I am going to resolve WhatsApp error this item cannot be shared on Android. So, if you are facing the same problem, then this video will surely help you in fixing it. So, without wasting any further time, let's start the video. But before heading towards the solutions, make sure to like and subscribe to our YouTube channel. Now, let's move on to fix WhatsApp error this item cannot be shared with 6 best fixes. Solution 1. Restart your WhatsApp app and device. Since you are unable to share the media file, the first thing you need to do is relaunching the WhatsApp app. So, give a fresh start to your app and see if that can fix the issue or not. Besides relaunching the app, you can also restart your Android device. Solution 2. Check your internet connection. If your internet speed is extremely low, there's a chance that you face this item cannot be shared error in WhatsApp. Thus, to fix any kind of network-related issues on your device, try some basic tips like turn off and turn on the mobile data. Switch from mobile data to the Wi-Fi connection. Enable and disable the airplane mode. Solution 3. Verify file format and integrity. WhatsApp has a file size limit for media files, which varies depending on your device and WhatsApp version. Generally, the limit is around 64 megabytes for most users. If your media exceeds this limit, WhatsApp will not allow you to send it. To check the file size on your device, open the Gallery app. Locate and open the video file or picture you want to send. Tap on More. Select Details or Info. Look for the file size information and ensure that it is under the size limit. Solution 4. Update WhatsApp app. Sometimes an outdated version of WhatsApp app can cause different issues, including WhatsApp error this item cannot be shared. You should check for the latest updates when you run into trouble. In order to do so, you have to open the Google Play Store. Next, click on the profile icon and select the option Manage Apps and Devices. Now under the Updates section, find the WhatsApp app and check for any updates available. If found, tap the Update button to update it. Once updated, open the WhatsApp app to check for the error. Solution 5. Free up storage space on your phone. In most of the cases it has been seen when the phone's storage is full, it may affect the app's functionality. If your device does not have enough internal storage, this will stop your app to download or share media file. In order to check the device's storage, you need to go to the Settings and then make a click on Storage. If you find that the storage is nearly full, then consider deleting unnecessary photos, videos, apps, and others to free up the storage. Or you may use the external SD cards to explore the phone storage. Solution 6. Uninstall and reinstall WhatsApp app. It is possible that the WhatsApp app you are using contains some issues or bugs due to which you're facing WhatsApp this item cannot be shared. Please select a different item. Uninstalling and reinstalling the app could work for you. To uninstall app, find the WhatsApp app on your device's home screen. Then, long press on it and tap on Uninstall option. Now follow the steps to install WhatsApp app. Go to Google Play Store and type WhatsApp in search box. Click on WhatsApp and then on Install option. To proceed further, click on Accept after reviewing the app permission. Now open the app, set up your account and see if the error is solved or not. So, this is all about fixing WhatsApp this item cannot be shared. Please select a different item. If you found this video useful, then give it a like, share it, and also don't forget to subscribe to our channel to watch more useful videos. Thanks for watching.